Hi guys, this is the continuation of yesterday's class. So I had asked you guys a question wherein whether I can file a complaint or case against those students who did not come to watch my video as per the agreement. So the answer is absolutely no. I cannot file a complaint against them because this was just an offer wherein I was asking the students if they want a class, you can just pay 20 rupees. And this was a casual agreement. This was a social agreement between me and the students. It was not a business kind of a contract. Getting me? So in for this is one example. This is called a social agreement. Okay, this is not a contract, it is a social agreement. Second example for social agreement is if you are inviting your friends for your birthday party, for example, or for your marriage purpose, and you are inviting maybe 1,000 people, and amongst that 1,000 people I think only 700 comes and 300 do not attend your marriage. What will happen? Of course there will be a loss. So if there is a loss, you have to file a complaint or you have to file a case against those. That is what contract says. Now in this particular case wherein you offered a marriage party or a marriage function party to your friends and they did not come and there was a big loss for you, will you be able to file a case against them? The answer is no, you cannot, because that was a social agreement between you and those your friends. All right, so this is what it is. So contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. So here we had an agreement. In the two examples we did had an agreement, but in both the cases this particular case cannot be taken to the court of law because it is a social agreement. Understood? Hope you guys understood now. Now the thing is, contract, if you are signing a contract with somebody, that means in that contract, if one person do not perform his part of duty in the contract, then there will be a loss happening. And in this case, if you are suffering a loss in contract, you got the right to file a complaint against that person and get the compensation from that particular person who breached the contract, who cancelled the contract. Breach is cancelling the contract. All right, so this intention should be there when you sign a contract. This is the main important thing why we say contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. So that means here you have signed a contract, a business dealing with somebody, and if that particular person, if it is between me and one of you guys, I am not performing my part of the duty in the contract. Okay, then what happens? The contract gets cancelled. So I have breached the contract. Of course, one of you who has signed a contract with me, you will certainly face a loss, a monetary loss. All right. So in this case, what you can do is you can file a case against that person because you can file a case against me because it was because of me you have conquered the loss. All right, and you will file a case against me in the court of law. So this agreement or this contract you can take into the court of law, and that is why contract is called an agreement which is enforceable by law. So in this particular contract, it's a business dealing. I had to sell my car to you, but you did not come on time and I faced a loss. If that is the case, me and you, we have signed a contract between both of us saying that I'm going to sell my car to you for around 2 lakh rupees and you have agreed to it. All right, and then we make a contract, not an agreement, we are making a contract, and on a particular day we fix a particular day where we are going to exchange. I'm going to give my car to you and you are going to give me the money fixed. Okay, in this case, on the particular day of the contract that we had to perform, on the performance day, if you are not attending or if you are not coming and meeting me, that means this contract will not happen for any further. So I have to take my car back home. So here I have lost a great loss. I have caused a great loss. Now how? The things can be different. Now I can say the moment you signed the contract and went for 2 lakh rupees, I got another person telling me that he can pay around 4 lakhs for that particular car. Since I had already promised you, since we already had signed a contract with you, hereforth or henceforth, I cannot, give this, I cannot cancel this contract and give this contract to the person who is offering me 4 lakh rupees, even though it's a big profit for me. So since I had signed a contract with you, I had no choice to cancel it. That is the reason I maintained it and I was waiting for your performance. But you did not come on the day of contract. So I have caused a loss of 2 lakh rupees, and now I am filing a case against you, asking for the compensation of 2 lakh rupees from you. So this is what a contract is. So a contract is an agreement. There are different types of agreement. There are 2 kinds of agreements that I just taught you. In these 2 kinds of agreement, now you have understood what is social agreement and what is a business agreement. So there should be a monetary loss at the same time. When you actually sign a contract with a person, you should have that you should have that intention to legally connect with that person. That means if any of you is not performing any part of the contract, either party should be able to go to the court of law for getting compensation from you for the loss that has caused to them. Understood? So this is what a contract is and what an agreement is. Hope you guys have understood. If you haven't understood, please let me know in the comment box. I'll give you another session. Alright. So see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.